Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Monday, May the 8th, 2023, no, it's the edition of Saturday or Sunday, May the 6th or May the 7th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 0 stars. Well, having troubles with this one. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. Yes, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number 6405. Yeah, before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits, and for one it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, is this really a 1 star? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Here 1 and there 1. Next question, do we have dual boxes? As you here, dual box, and there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. And here I need more information. Yeah, but let me mark those two boxes, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 2 triple boxes contains the 1, the 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and when you see here, okay, the 1 is already filled in, so those two boxes should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. When you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, middle box is always 4 or a 5. Let me mark those numbers, 4 and a 5. The other side should be also the 4 and a 5. Yeah, the box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 here in the same area, so this box should be a 5 then. Here also a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 3 is already given. So the 1 and the 2 are there. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question, do we have here no quadra boxes? No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Well, only one quadra box in the L shape. Yeah, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. But when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember the box near the inside box is always a 5. 5 is already filled in. Okay. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. Yeah. For example, the first shape that you need to recognize is this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, I've marked those 4 and a 5. Yeah, alright. Do we have more of those kind of shapes in this puzzle? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. We have only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Or this one. We have 2 L shapes. Let me draw this one then. Okay. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. So this box is the same number as that box. Here another one. rotated, this box has the same number as that box. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. That should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 in this L-shaped area could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there then. Alright. Okay. Then these two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. I should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright. 1 box left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then, let me think. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Oh, we already have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so this box can be 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there, double 2 there. Same for here. This box can be a 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright, these two boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be there. So let me see. So here we have 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. Well, in this quadro box, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 1, but we already have a 1 there, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this quadro box for the number 1. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 2 here. We have a double 2 here. That means that these two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That means that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It should be there. Then let me think. This is 4 and a 5, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. Because if I place a 1 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then let me think. 1 and a 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area. We have numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 and the 5. Then this box can be a 3. This box can be a 4. So the 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, well, let me mark those. Alright. Then. Alright. 1, 2. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 or a 5. Yeah, this box will be 4 or 5. And this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yeah, only 4 or a 5. So we have a pair here, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So the other pair should be the 3 and the 1. 3 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5 then. Okay, now we have the 3 there, so this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Okay, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finishing 14 minutes. Well. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes, and we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus for my channel. I have also a playlist for the a playlist, a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries. I have also a playlist for the ladder Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudoku. Also for a samurai Sudoku, yeah, aka quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.